Good morning, dear students of class 5th. Today we are going to revise our chapter 2, Human Migration. So I shall be continuing. First of all, the meaning of migration. Migration means to move or movement. Migration means to move or movement. And what is migration? Migration is the systematic or regular movement of people from one place to another. Migration is the systematic or regular movement of people from one place to another. Human beings would not have continued to exist without migration. They moved, they moved from one place to another in search of food and shelter. So migration is the systematic movement of people from one place to another. Shifting agriculture. Shifting agriculture is a system in which people start to grow crops on a piece of land till the soil is fertile and then move to new piece of land. Shifting agriculture is a system in which people start to grow crops on a piece of land till the soil is fertile and then move to new piece of land. In a shifting agriculture, human beings started growing crops on a piece of land till the soil was fertile, and then he would abandon it and move to a new piece of land, and this type of practice of growing crops was known as shifting agriculture. So shifting agriculture is a system in which people start to grow crops on a piece of land till the soil is fertile and then move to new piece of land. Now, types of migration. Migration further divided into two parts. First one is voluntary migration and second one is forced migration. What is voluntary migration? Voluntary migration is when people move to another place on their own wish or choice. Involuntary migration is when people move to one place to another on their own wish or choice. It may be for better jobs, education opportunities, or to be close to their family or friends. So, what is voluntary migration? Voluntary migration is when people move to another place on their own wish or choice. Forced migration. Forced migration is the movement of a person or a family or large group of people due to natural disasters and sometimes due to man-made disasters. Forced migration is the movement of a person, family or large group of people due to a natural disasters and sometimes due to man-made disasters. And what are the examples of natural disasters? The examples of natural disasters are flood, earthquake, tsunami, and the examples of man-made disasters are fire, drought, or terrorist activities. The examples of natural disasters are earthquake, tsunami, flood, and the examples of man-made disasters are fire, drought, or terrorist activities. Now, sometimes when migrants move, they have to face many hardships, they have to face many difficulties, and sometimes they have to live without basic amenities like shelter, sanitation, and safe drinking water. Sometimes women have to work hard, the children do not get education, and they start begging. And sometimes migration also brings happiness to many people. They move to another cities and they see many places, experience the climate that suits them, learn about new customs, traditions, dresses, dances, music, etc. So sometimes migration also brings happiness to many people. They enjoy the migration and they see many places, new places, experience the climate, they learn new traditions, cultures, customs, etc. So this is your chapter 2, human migration. So you have to revise this chapter, human migration, and also understand the concept of migration, shifting migration, types of migration, etc. So revise this chapter very carefully and also understand the concept. Thank you and have a nice day.